So folks, I've got a big project coming up, helping somebody clean a bunch of rugs in their house, and also too, I've got some automotive detailing to do in terms of cleaning some carpets and stuff. Was looking for some sort of carpet shampoo or something that would work well. And I've had good success over the years with a lot of Chemical Guys products, and they make this foaming citrus fabric clean here, carpet and upholstery shampoo. Took note of it and I thought, well, I'm going to go ahead and jump on it and get some. This is a 1 gallon container. Now, one thing with this that they make note of is that this is a highly concentrated product here. So you definitely have to dilute it down. It's a thing of where basically they say take a spray bottle. If you want to go a bit lighter with it, a 1 to 20 concentration with water. And then if you want to go kind of a bit heavy duty, you can go 1 to 8. So definitely this is a product you dilute, and this whole gallon here should go a long way for me and get a lot of fabric cleaning and rug cleaning done and all that. To use it, pretty simple, and I'm going to go ahead and give you action footage of what all that's going to look like and how it's all going to pan out and how it all works. But pretty much you make your dilution, spray it on the fabric. Well, you get your, usually it's a good idea to get everything nice and wet first. Give this a good spray on the fabric, agitate it a bit, and then you can go ahead and extract it, or in my case, I'm going to go ahead and pressure wash the rugs down and all that to get it all out. And that'll be the way we'll roll with it. So stay tuned. Next, we will go ahead and get this outside and get this to work and see the results that we get. All right, folks, so we've got our citrus carpet cleaner here. I went ahead and distilled it down to about 1 to 6 with water. So in this Zep spray bottle here. So we're just going to give everything a nice good spray. And we're just going to cover the whole carpet here. And just kind of let it sit a little bit for a while too. And then we're going to come and agitate it with a rotating brush. But yeah, the carpet's got some stains. It's not too bad. It's been vacuumed and stuff over time. It's just, kind of collected dirt over the past couple years, and time for a good clean. Alright guys, so we have our Chemical Guys brush here in action. So we're just going to give this carpet a good clean. We've already worked on part of it here, and we're just going to keep on working on it. So folks, we ended up using up about this much of the bottle for this rug here, and just gave it a good spray, agitated it a bit, and then we also used the drill brush to basically loosen up a lot of the dirt, hair balls and dust and all that sort of stuff on the carpet. So it's looking pretty good. So we're going to give it a final rinse and then put it out to dry. Alright folks, we gave our citrus carpet cleaning shampoo there a good run. And I was pretty happy with it. I like the fact that it didn't foam up excessively or anything like that, but it seemed to do a pretty good job of pulling a lot of the dirt and dust out. Don't know how well it came out on camera, but definitely the rug here is looking a lot cleaner. Just letting some of the excess water drip dry, and then going to straighten it out and kind of hang it out to dry for a while in the warm sun. But yeah, very happy with this at the end of the day. And very easy to dilute and put in a spray bottle, and then you're good to go to go ahead and use it. So works pretty good. Definitely check it out. You can get it in all different sizes. I ended up getting a gallon size, and that worked pretty good. So anyways, folks, definitely check that out. I'm happy with it. It worked well for me, and I'm going to use it also in some upcoming automotive detailing stuff I've got to do.